Hi guys, so I visited the biggest plant nursery in Thane, which is located at Majivada. Basically, there are two nursery stores next to each other, and they have a huge variety of plants, and they keep updating them every season. I think you can find the basic of the basic, that is the tulsi or the curry leaves or the mogra plants over here, to the rarest of the rare plants or house plants or those that are trending on Instagram over here, and you can get them at a really good price. So the mogras and the ones that you are seeing, so all of these plants, they start at a price of 60 rupees, but I'm sure you can bargain and bring them down to 40. This section was full of indoor house plants. They had dracaenas, peace lilies, aglaonemas, peperomias over here, and even the dracaenas were not the very common dracaenas in this particular section, and the price of these plants starts at 120 rupees because they come in pots, but you can bargain, and I think you can bring them down to 80 or maybe 100, but not lesser than 80. This particular money plant was for 250 rupees, and I think it is a decent amount for a money plant which has grown so much, provided you bargain and bring down the price a little. That's the fun part of shopping over here. There are some crotons at the back, again some more dracaenas. The flowering plants start at a price of 150 or 160, but depending upon the popularity of the plant and how often it flowers, the price will vary, and of course you can bargain. So the succulents start at a price of 100 and they go up to 300 rupees. I don't think they bargain much in case of succulents. You might get them down to 80. Now, the thing with this nursery is that they have a lot of staff employed who help you with selecting the plants, and these are the guys who at the end do all the calculations and all the bargaining. So make sure that you get a person who would give you a good deal, because the kind of deal that you would get varies a lot depending upon who is trying to sell the plant to you. Some of the staff won't bargain much at all, while some might. I was lucky enough to have this guy who gave me the plant that he was just showing. I don't know the name of it, but it was for 60 rupees. Since it comes in a bag, that's why it was cheap. But I bargained and I got it for 35 bucks only. Then this was the back side of the nursery where I spotted the fiddle leaf ficus plant, which was nowhere to be seen anywhere else. But I luckily spotted it over here, and along with the fiddle leaf, I also spotted the monstera plant. The one that he's showing is a lily plant, is what he told me. So yeah, somewhere over there is the ficus plant, the fiddle leaf plant. If you want to buy, if you have a particular plant in your head and if you go there, you may not be able to find it if you tell them the name. Try to show them a picture, and that should help.
बोरिंग किसने किया था?
भैया फाइकस का कितना?
ये 350 रुपए का है, वो 60 रुपए का है।
350 और 60।
हाँ
इसमें कम करोगे ना?
हाँ
हाँ,
कम हो जाएगा।
ओके। वो मॉन्स्टेरा का कितना?
वो 850 रुपये का।
बड़ा वाला?
और उधर वो 12 वाला 1200 का है, वो 850 रुपये का।
ये 850।
हाँ वो 850।
850 फॉर दिस गाय। और वो बड़ी पत्ती है ये?
वो 550 रुपये का, 12 पत्ती।
अच्छा। You can bring it down from 850 to even 500. This was the nursery that was right next to the one that I shop most of my plants from. From here I just took 2 plants because I got a really good deal on them. It is the Oxalis and the Peperomia. I got them for 50-50 each. If you want to have a look at what all plants I bought and at what price did I get them for, I have made another video on it, so I'll leave the link in the description box. Please go and check it out, and please leave your comments if you have any doubts or if you have any thoughts about the video. Please feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I also make videos on travel and fashion, so yeah, do that. Till I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.